This video has info that will blow your mind, mainly if your company is in danger. So don't give up, you hardworking business owner. Most people don't talk about their mistakes. We are told to hide our wrong decisions or put the blame on some other individual, to do whatever we can to get away from the terrible feeling of having committed a mistake. Many people don't begin their own company because they do not want to mess up. But here's the secret. Business errors don't stop you from moving forward. Instead, they assist you in discovering a more efficient way to do things. The best way to boost your esteem is to see your errors as learning opportunities. In the field of business, you're heading to commit mistakes, or many of them, obviously. Even though errors are inevitable, you can strategize for most of them. This video will demonstrate how to prevent most common errors that can hurt your startup. Let's get started. Number 1. Missing innovation around the customer's money-making model. All companies, industries, and startups first figure out how they will earn a profit, but they don't pay attention to how their clients will make money. Your company can't survive the path you desire until you don't realize customer acquisition, cash flow, liquidity, productivity, net profit, earnings, retention, stock turnover, and so on. What causes innovation? When you solve the customer's issues that he can't fix himself, innovation would be based solely on what clients want. There are a lot of duplicates of international startups in India. For example, India startup Ola is a duplicate of Uber, and Flipkart is a duplicate of Amazon. Number 2. Negative cash flow and negative working capital. This is among the most frequent things a new business fails. A check in your hand doesn't mean anything. You need money. Money and revenue are both significant. It's feasible that your books show you're earning a profit, but your payments are postponed. This is known as having a negative cash flow. Presently, because there wasn't enough cash in the industry, you called a funding agency, but after they gave you a certain amount, they ended up providing the money. So a lack of funds is among the chief causes of why startups fail. Keep your cash flow going in the right direction and attempt to deliver your goods in advance or on time. To boost cash flow, you need to understand a lot about the stock market and exactly how to manage cash flow in the market. The best illustration of this is D-Mart, an Indian company that has been able to keep healthy cash flow because its founder and owner, Radhakrishnan Damani, also knows how the stock market works. In its chain of stores, D-Mart only sells a few things, whereas other major retailers sell a lot more. D-Mart holds the stock low and the number of items sold each year high. They mostly sell food and other grocery items, so they invest their funds in the market and boost their sales, approximately 11 times yearly. It indicates they purchased and traded their stock 11 times in 1 year. Number 3. Expansion with negative margin. Several aspects must be done in a margin, like market acquisition, a loss-leading strategy, and selling cheaply. However, if you don't know how you'll make money initially, your business will inevitably fail at some point. Everyday folks sell things at low prices and don't know about how much they should make on each item. The margin plans that need to be formed are very crucial to keep in mind. Number 4. A lack of talented manpower. The more vital point you need to begin a company is skilled workers. You must hire people who have a lot of talent, a lot of potential, a lot of skill, and a lot of will. You must check their competence-based mapping or expertise evaluation and how they go from having a concept to putting it into action. When you have the individuals who can carry out what you see to create a high-performing squad, the following are the things that people need most. Number 5. Scalability with recurring revenue model. Scalability means making plans for a business strategy that can grow. Many startups are very lucrative and many have higher margins and geographic power, but those who can't prepare for how to grow struggle after a short time. So they really have to know how to keep customers, get repeat buyers, and how to get long-term contracts. The business needs to be planned so that it can grow, and consistent revenue means that usual ways to make money must be established. In this manner, they can keep their greatest, trustable, and consistent customers for a long time. Number 6. Mixed marketing signal and wrong positioning. We could also say that this is the main issue for startups. Individuals are unsure where the industry to put their goods is. Who really is your target consumer? And who is your worst? What would be your ideal item? And which is your worst item? Your item wasn't thought out well enough, and you don't have an excellent strategy for how to divide up your clients. It would be best to understand your industry's appropriate demographics and psychology, and only sell your item there. Now, exploring your own single signal means you have to discover your own uniqueness. Are your product lines the latest in the industry? Are they the finest for consumers? Are they most comfortable? Are they least expensive? What's the best deal? Are they the most well-known? These positions need to be recognized before deciding how to package, label, market, plan, and work with your squad. Number 7. Releasing product as a laggard. Laggard means they are not getting their items out of the market fast enough. When they put their offering on the market was already full, and there were already several businesses selling the same thing. So they failed at promoting their goods. Your company relies mainly on when the product comes out and how quickly the market reacts. This is among the chief causes why the business or store owner continues to struggle and then fails after a while. For example, Nokia was among the most well-known brands worldwide, but Symbian OS failed because it didn't have enough apps and a user interface. Because of competitors in the market for iOS and Android, Nokia kept trying to make their Symbian OS better, but they never came up with something genuinely new. Number 8. Save yourself from getting out-competed. You started a company, but your rival keeps an eye on you. You have to make it hard for a rival to join your business to accomplish this. You can do this with intellectual property rights, patents, licensing, and proprietary. By preparing all this, you can make it hard for competitors to join and maintain your private strategies. Improve your brand's reputation or find more places to buy cheap items to help you grow your business. This will make the other person wonder how you can accomplish this. So the most crucial aspect is to make it hard for a potential competitor to get in. So in the end, we could say that all of these ideas can assist you in taking any new company to another level. Eliminate committing these blunders when starting up in the transport, manufacturing, agriculture, education, entertainment, hospitality, food, IT, and other sectors. That's it for the 8 things why your business is not running properly. What did you think of the video? Let me know in the comments section below, and smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. And before you leave, you can make us super happy by subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. And with those words, I'm out.